You ready?
Yeah, man.
See you out there, buddy.
To the forces above us, like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, flying to the forces above this life. So much to the poltergeist, hold on the love, but it's fast and nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky, fly to the forces above us, like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, flying to the forces above this life. Crying so much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on the love, but it's fast and nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky, fly to the forces above us, like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, flying to the forces above this life. Been crying so much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on a love, but it's fast and nice time. So much but a light from a falling sky, flying to the forces above us, like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky.
Sick, man, no words.
Cool, man.
Unreal, no words, man.
What do you reckon? Do you have a favourite part there?
Just that feeling of dropping out of the plane and like looking behind you, like almost falling backwards.
It's a little bit different, eh?
Can't I replicate that anywhere.
Awesome, man. So what do you reckon? Do you think you'll do that again?
100%.
Awesome.
100%. Probably not this trip, but another time.
Beautiful, man. Thanks for jumping in Mission Beach.
Sweet.
See you later.
Cheers, man.
So much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on the love, but it's fast and nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky, fly to the forces above us.